Alam niyo ba na sa gospel natin ngayon, pinapakita ni Jesus ang siyang profound lesson sa kababaang loob at nature ng pagmamahal? Kung titingnan natin sa gospel, yung religious leaders nung time ni Jesus ay sobrang ma-pride at puro self-importance lang ang pinapakita. That is why Jesus is urging us and trying to show us na dapat nating yakapin ang virtue of humility. Humility, as Jesus teaches, is the antidote to pride and boasting. It is the recognition that we are not the center of the universe, but rather we are called to serve and love others without seeking recognition or praise. Sabi nga ni St. Paul, love does not boast. It is not proud. To live a life of humility and love is to follow in the footsteps of Jesus himself. He who is the very embodiment of love humbled himself to the point of death on a cross for our sake. Gayahin natin si Jesus at kanyang mga halimbawa. Paglingkuran ng may pagmamahalang sa puso ang kapwa and let go of our need for recognition. Sa ganitong pamamaraan, we not only honor God's call to humility, but we also create a world where love reigns and pride fades away. Handa ka bang yakapin ang buhay, kababaang loob at pagmamahal? G ka ba?